Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Wealthsimple to bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Transferring money from Wealthsimple to your bank account is simple. What you need to do first is head over and open up your Wealthsimple app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged in, on the bottom of the options you'll be seeing this swipe icon or move icon. Simply tap on that, and now among the options you'll find an option that says withdraw. Simply tap on that, and then once you do that, choose your Wealthsimple trade, crypto, cash, TFSA or RRSP account. Then type in how much you want to transfer. The money will go to your linked bank account automatically. Double check the details, then confirm. Wealthsimple cash usually takes instant processing time, and Wealthsimple trade takes 1 to 3 business days, and Wealthsimple crypto bank usually takes 2 to 5 business days. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.